got one of our biggest snowstorms of the season here to usher in the winter. So we're gonna all be busy working and shoveling out for the next day here at least, and it'll be a white Christmas here. I hope you enjoy this video while I work on clearing the snow out of the yard. Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. So I just wanted to go through with you 8 things that I felt brought me the most success in my goals as a gardener this year. So these are my 8 favorite garden successes of 2020. My first year growing Brussels sprouts, I managed to get a few harvests before the flea beetles took over and ruined the plants. This was my first year growing celery from seed. I grew a lot of celery this year, had several harvests, and I won't be buying starts anymore. I'll just be growing them from seed. This year I managed to grow a lot of carrots and have continual harvests throughout the growing season for my family to eat fresh in meals and snacks and things, and I even managed to get a few to put away in the freezer for next year. I was really happy with the carrots this year. This was free seed that I received in a seed order, and it grew amazingly all year long for me. The sunflowers were munched down by a naughty bunny when I put starts out, and yet they managed to grow multi-head plants, and I was quite impressed with them. I've been wanting roses for years, and I finally broke down and bought myself some, and I really enjoyed the blooms, and I'm looking forward to them in subsequent years. I felt like this was my most successful year with cauliflower, broccoli, and cabbage. I managed to get heads of cauliflower and broccoli and a few heads of cabbage all throughout the season until it got really hot, and I was able to put some away for the freezer, which is really nice to have those for in the winter. And my cabbage is my first year, I think, growing cabbage, and I got some really big heads of cabbage, including a 10-pound head. So I was really impressed with that and really happy with that. I was even able to give a few of these away. My biggest success in the garden this year for me was attracting monarchs to my yard and having them lay eggs and caterpillars hatch and grow and become butterflies. This is a goal that I've had for years. I've been planting for it and watching for it, and it finally happened this year. So that was my biggest success in my mind this year in my garden. It made me very happy. Well, I hope you enjoyed looking back on the warm days of summer and the things that I felt were successful in my garden this year. Well, you enjoyed that video, and for a lot longer actually than that took. I was out here clearing snow, and I got a pretty good job done out here. Quite a bit cleared out in the backyard. And I was lucky enough that while I was doing that, a neighbor came along and cleared out my driveway for me, because that snow was just went up to my hips in some spots because it had blown in so bad. So it was nice to have all that snow cleared, and now we have a really nice view to look at and some much needed moisture. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.